Here's my French onion soup recipe from the True North Cabin Cookbook that you can find at my website at stephaniesdish.com or wherever you buy your books. You're going to start with 6 large sweet onions and you're going to slice them. Then you're going to add butter to a Dutch oven and you're going to brown these onions until they get caramelized and delicious. You're going to use about 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're going to add some seasoning with a little bit of pepper. You're going to be caramelizing and cooking these onions down before you add 5 cups of beef broth. You are also going to add some beef consomme. It's a Campbell's soup product that just makes it have a little bit richer flavor. To that, you're going to add Worcestershire sauce. I like about 2 teaspoons. You're going to add some bay leaves, and then you're going to prepare your crostini. You're just going to cut up some baguette, and you're going to toast that with a little bit of olive oil, so that you've got that nice, crispy, crunchy topping for your soup that you can use to top with the Gruyere cheese. You're just going to bake those little morsels for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to dish up your soup, and don't forget your toasted crostini with a little bit of Gruyere cheese sprinkled over the top. You can go ahead and broil that so you get that delicious, crusty bits on the top that look so delicious that make the best French onion soup.